Came out for no air conditioning. Fuses popped. I narrowed down the short to here. The low pressure switch wires, whenever I test it, we do have a path to ground. We're gonna go ahead and run new wire from here. Gonna run it down there and then there. What I'm gonna do is measure for a path to ground, see if these wires are connected to a ground somewhere. And whenever I do one leg to the wire, one leg to a ground, we are getting resistance, so there is a path to ground through these wires, which is why it's shorting out. So I replaced all the wires and I turned it on, the fuse popped again. Turns out the 24 volt coil that unloads the compressor to go into second stage is shorted out. So I have it all disconnected and now the contactor's pulled in, so the unit can only run in first stage and not second stage. For 100% capacity, they're gonna have to replace that compressor. But it's running in single stage, 5.9 amps, rated for 17, so compressor of the unit needs replaced, one of them.